Good afternoon, Johar. My name is Manjeet Kaur Bal and I am from Chhattisgarh. I am presenting here about conservation practices in traditional way of tribal community, special reference to Chhattisgarh Gond community. In the cover slide, you can see two photos, one Iora, common Iora, and second one is a one India map. In between, there is a colorful marking. This map, one photo, Iora photo, has taken by one Gond youth, Abhishek Netam from Kondagaon district, and second picture is showing that the where the Gond community resides. Gond community is one of the um, oldest community of the tribal, and you can read about that community anywhere in the net and anywhere in the book. Today we are what we are I am going to present that how much they are uh, close to their relationship is close to the bird, not only the birds, the environment. They are really they have the community stewardship and especially they are environmental stewardship. And they have the tradition of writing their name. There is a totem system which leads to the conservation practices, and their totem system itself says that they are very much concerned about the conservation of the biodiversity. Uh, one very good thing about if we go to their totem and their culture, their stories related to birds, they think that the behavior of the bird is gives some ideas of the future, their flight patterns, their calls, behavior, other prediction. They can predict the weather. They can think about their harvesting to see the birds pattern. These stories comes in a different way. We have taken this story from tribal wisdom and ecological knowledge. They have some other migration pattern knowledge, nesting habits, dietary practices, and they see all these with the uh, with their daily life. Why I am presenting here? Because when we have started working in Chhattisgarh with Forest Right Act, especially for the community forest resource right conservation, it gives the right to the Gram Sabhas on protection, conservation, regeneration, and management of the forest. In Chhattisgarh, the south region is for the Gond community. And during this whole process, I come to the close relations with the knowledge system of the tribal community, especially the Gond community. Uh, they receive the recognition of the right for the protection, conservation, regeneration, and management of the forest in their traditional boundary. Last time I have shared this information with this symposium. So I thought to start bird monitoring in those regions to one of the good indicator for the community to see how they can see the birds are conserved with the conservation of the forest. So I started working with the youth. I started working with the knowledge, so resource community leaders. Like one of the good leader is Narayan Markam here, and then I have started reading many stories on their Facebook pages, their social media pages, and this is started very well. And they have also not only they have started writing about the linkages of these tools and technology of and these events with their traditional practices. Uh, uh, you can see Narayan Markam, the name of Narayan Markam. I have taken one story from his Facebook page. Narayan Markam is known as the uh, university head of the Gond community. Means Gotul, one of the Gotul is the knowledge system. Gotul is the location area where they can learn. They learn. They share their information, their wisdom. Narayan Markam is one of the best resource person of the Gond community for that Gotul, and he has written in his Facebook page about GPBC, and he has linked that great backyard bird count with their local stories of the Gondi. the pitte. Here he has written the pitte means the chidiya, birds. So what is the importance of birds? How it is related with the their Gond community? How they relate the cultural practices with the Gond community with the birds? The one more story he has written here, that how that woodpecker and the relationship of woodpecker and the ant is very close to each other. So, how all these have started very well, and you can see in a previous slide that e-bird he has written also about the e-bird. After this process, when he has started writing, the whole Bastar region is looking for the e-bird, looking for the GBBC, and it shows that how indigenous people can be connected with the technology and how they can make the richness of the knowledge of the forest, knowledge of the environment, and they have greater knowledge, they have better stories than us with them because they live with those stories. So the purpose behind this, that I am thankful, what I want to share, that we have to collect the stories of the tribal community, stories of the different communities with their lifestyle, and we should connect them because this wisdom has not documented anywhere. It is passed on generation to generation by themselves. We want to, if we want to learn, we should connect with their stories, their cultural practices with us. Thank you. Thank you very much.